SAP Business One, Reporting and Administration. This demonstration shows how SAP Business One allows you to access up-to-date reports, drill down to see detailed inventory and customer data, and manage information in the format you want, enabling you to gain instant access to complete business information, make fast, accurate decisions, and take actions that lead to results. Access up-to-date reports. John Morris is head of operations for OEC Computer. He uses SAP Business One to track information about sales, customers, operations, and financials, all from a single location. He has instant access to more than 200 reports. He starts by looking at a sales analysis report. The report gives him a snapshot of sales performance for the time period he has defined. John looks at an item-based report to see the quantity, total sales, and gross profit for key products. Next, he views a customer aging report. He can see that more than half of his receivables are more than 30 days past due. He then checks a profit and loss statement. The statement summarizes revenues, costs, and expenses for a specified time period. Finally, John views a service monitor. The service monitor lets him evaluate his company's performance on service calls. SAP Business One gives John access to the accurate, up-to-date information he needs to make the right business decisions. View inventory and customer data. Now John wants to look at inventory, sales, and related data. SAP Business One enables him to drill down from any report to get the full details behind it. For example, starting from an inventory report, he can determine the precise stock level of a specific item. He can then drill down to find out which customers purchased the product in the past 6 months. This allows him to do better inventory forecasting and resource planning. John can even see the invoices for each order delivered. He can use this data to develop sales promotions that target specific items or customer segments. John can also access easy-to-read dashboards that give him a personalized snapshot of key business activities. Plus, John has instant, secure access to all data over a standard web browser, anytime, anywhere. For example, John can view the sales pipeline and drill down to view transaction and sales performance by sales rep. SAP Business One gives John a 360-degree view of the business and allows him to make faster, smarter decisions. Manage information in the format you want. John would like to work with business information in a variety of formats. SAP Business One makes it easy, with no need for programming or technical know-how. John can easily create his own reports and save them for future use. Today, he's creating an accounts receivable report. He simply drags and drops the variables he'd like to see in the report. He then specifies the report type. With just a few clicks, he can generate the report. He can then export the report to Microsoft Excel for additional analysis or sharing with team members. Finally, John uses the drag and relate feature for instant access to detailed information. The drag and relate feature is an interactive tool that uses predefined queries to generate reports. For example, to identify all items sold to a given customer, John simply drags the customer code to the accounts receivable invoice menu. SAP Business One gives you the tools you need to gain instant access to complete business information, make fast, accurate decisions, and take actions that lead to results.